You saw that? You saw that? Really? Is it?
Allez, pour papa. Allez, fais le bisou pour papa. Ah. Hi guys, and good morning everybody. It's Monday, it's a new week. This weekend have been very nice. It's getting so hot outside. Well, I'm in sweater because it's just 7 a.m. in the morning, but in the day, oh, it's so hot. I just think I took some color. So yeah, want to wish you all of you a wonderful week. Have fun, and yeah, don't know if it's vacation for any of you, but yeah, if you're on vacation, just enjoy the moment. Enjoy this vlog too. Have a good day.
Hi fams, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. And as you guys can hear, my voice is not so bad. We're getting better with each passing day. Tyler's not so bad either himself. Can you guys guess what Tyler is eating right now? If you guys know Tyler, then you guys might guess. Have a few guess, but let's see. Comment down below and tell me what you guys think Tyler is eating right now. By the way, he's snacking. So what do you think he's snacking on? And if you think popcorn, then you're right. My boy loves popcorn. Say morning, Faves. Say hi, Faves. He doesn't like to talk when he has food in his mouth. Say hi, Faves.
Hi, Faves.
How are you guys?
Popcorn.
Yeah, what else you doing? You just chilling? Watching tablet? As you guys can see, he's looking close to his old self, so he's doing not too bad at all.
Vampire.
It's a vampire out there. Steve is a vampire. You guys, it's actually afternoon right now, because I haven't picked up the camera all day because I have been really busy just sorting out my clothes. Should I call it spring cleaning? Really, I'm getting out all my winter spring clothes because I don't need them anymore for the rest of the year. Well, I don't need them anymore for now, so I'm just putting my summer clothes to the front and pushing back all the other clothes that I am not going to wear anytime soon, and just organizing and making things really neat. So that's what I've been doing all day, and between that I've been keeping up with the royal news. I don't know if you guys follow these kind of things, but I love keeping up with the royal news. I watch every baby birth, from Charlotte to George and now the new baby, and I made sure I watched the wedding, and I'm going to watch Prince Harry wedding that's coming up. I just love keeping up with the royal family. It's just fun for me to keep up with all the news and all the love and all those kind of things. So between that, I've been sitting in front of the TV catching up with that because it's been going on all morning. So I've been just watching that. I'm actually waiting now for them to walk out the hospital with the baby. So I'm waiting for this moment. I love these little things. Anyway, you guys, baby's off to work, and I am going to start making dinner. For dinner today, I'm going to roast the whole chicken, which I have seasoned here. I just need to put some browning on that and throw it in the oven. And then I am going to maybe boil some plantain and some corn and maybe some veggies. Let's see what the outcome of dinner is going to be. Anyway, you guys, comment down below and let me know what you guys are making for dinner today. Let me know. Decided to cook some corn over here. I'm boiling ripe plantain, and then I have quinoa here, and the chicken is roasting in there. So that's dinner for tonight. You guys, this is a quick look at Tyler's dinner, a little of everything. So he's gonna eat, and then Babe and I is gonna grab. Okay, and now Babe and I dinner is ready. This one is mine and this one is Babe. Look a lot, but hey, it's going down. You guys, dinner was so yummy, and now it's time for Babe to eat. I can see him coming through the window. So I just set the table with his favorite yogurt. He always drink apple juice, his knife and fork, and dinner is warming. These are the things I enjoy doing as a wife. I love when he goes to work and then he comes home, so his dinner ready and his clothes all ironed and everything is just right. He comes home and he really doesn't have to do anything unless I want him to do something, or unless he really wants to do something. So yeah, baby's home in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guys will see him coming through the door in a minute. Let's see if we can wait on him. Ah, he is coming, he is coming. Ah, you guys saw that? You guys saw that? You saw that? You saw that? You saw that? You saw that? Really? Is it? Who is it? Who is it? Who is that? The mama papa coming. I already saw him.
Hi guys, I believe it was the fun you are talking.
Hello, my love.
Ah, the day is done.
No kiss?
No. No. You see, I'm talking to the camera before. Ah, tired, but it's okay. It feels good to be home late, but in the same time still day outside.
This is not home late for you, honey. This is home early for you.
It's 7:30. It's not.
It's early for you.
It's not early.
It's early for you.
Recently, last week I've been late, but it's not early.
This is early for you, okay?
7:30 p.m. Who does that?
You does that.
Hi. But it feels okay outside. Today's yeah, it feels okay to be.
I haven't gone outside, so I would know.
Gonna eat. Tyler we go to bed soon, so we have the evening to enjoy.
But you're leaving tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm gonna have to pack my stuff tonight.
You guys didn't expect to leave tomorrow. Would you have to go tomorrow?
Yeah, I wasn't expecting. I was expecting to leave on Wednesday morning, but I'm gonna have to leave. I'm gonna see my auntie.
You're gonna see auntie?
Yeah, I'm gonna sleep at auntie tomorrow night.
Oh.
Because they didn't change I didn't bother.
So how they change the flight but they don't change the hotel?
Because it's two different things, and I should have asked, because they didn't really think, and then I say, okay, don't bother, it's already accepted, valid, and don't bother, and I'm gonna find a way. And I just say I'm gonna stay at auntie. Gonna be happy.
You sure will be?
Yeah, I'm gonna reach there like 4:30. They need to call me.
4:30 p.m.
Yeah.
They're coming to the airport for you?
I think Luke coming.
Which airport is you landing? That's dinner. Get you a wife that does everything at home when you're at work. So you ain't gotta come home and do it, okay?
Café?
Well, dinner's ready, my love. Look at these two. Who is that? That's Papa? Yes.
Give your pecado for dinner.
What did you say? Tell Papa what you say.
For dinner.
No candle for Tyler. Tyler said no gift for Tyler. Say Papa didn't bring home any gift for him. This boy get used to everybody coming to the house, bringing him gift. It becomes a norm. He's looking for it every time his father comes home. So you better make sure when you go to Paris tomorrow and you're coming back home in a few days, you better bring him something or else.
Allez, pour papa. Allez, fais le but pour papa. Ah! Allez, encore. Fais les bulles. Allez, tout en haut, tout en haut, tout en haut. Wow! Allez, 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 touchez, touchez, touchez. Allez, fais-les tout en haut. Allez, souffle en haut. Allez. Wow! Good job! Allez, regarde, regarde, regarde. Hop. Allez, en haut, tout en haut. Non. Allez, encore.
Continue.
Non, il faut souffler dans le rond, dans le trou.
Wow!
Fais tout ça. Wow, wow.
Put the boat.
Ready for bath? Ready for bath? Yes. It's a night face.
Not.
See, I'm going to bath.
I'm going back.
Then go to bed.
Then go to bed.
See you guys tomorrow.
Then to my mom. Bye-bye.
What's up, what's up, what's up? I look good, I don't look drunk.
You guys, the truth is, babe couldn't resist me, and now he got sick. So why do you mouth like that? Like I'm telling lies?
Don't blush.
No, his nose is running and throat is hurting,
Yeah.
and my throat is hurting also.
She tell me to eat honey for the last 2-3 days. So every
Honey and water till it to
and
drink.
some warm. But
Right.
yesterday with 2-3 hours, I'm going in the kitchen, take
He's
honey
abusing
and
the
eating
honey
it.
because he's addicted to honey. So he's taking the opportunity for me not to say, babe, don't drink no more honey.
Oh,
Say,
yeah.
you told me to drink honey and rum.
And tonight I put some warm.
You guys can hear how deep his voice sounds in his nose.
Rum and honey. I don't know if guys, if you ever tried that, the rum with the honey, I don't know if the honey, if it's the rum that is strong or if it's the honey that them to sleep it.
We were talking on the battery diet, so I was saying to you, it's Jamaican rum, so what I expect is gonna be strong.
Yeah, but it was strong, like strong, like just drink a little bit and makes me out.
And he wants to offer it to me. I'm like, oh, don't give me that.
Oh,
if
that
it
was
was
so
Bailey's or Smirnoff, I would have tried it.
Very similar for girl, for little girl. That was strong. Strong. You can't drink a glass. You have to take a little bit pure warm, nothing else with. Ooh.
Anyway, you guys, we're coming on to end the vlog. Tala is going to bed and baby's leaving early in the morning, so I'm keeping him up as long as possible.
Not longer.
Anyway, you guys, the Jamaican expression for today is awadu dem. If you hear a Jamaican say, whoa, awadu dem, awadu some girl, simply means what is wrong with them, what is their problem. Ray, awadu dem, whoa, awadu dem.
Yeah, what do them?
Awadu some girl.
What do some girl? Yeah.
Simply mean what is wrong with them.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm here to tell you.
Me fit tell you.
Me should tell you.
Yes, what's the French expression for today?
The French expression for today is faire la tête au carré. Faire la tête au carré is to do the square head.
Okay.
Simply mean like to fight physically or not physically to somebody, like to put back his head in order. Like if it's like this, to put back in square, like.
Faire la tête au carré.
Right.
My heart turn up tonight.
Faire la tête au carré simply mean like to fight somebody, to argue with somebody.
Okay,
and
cool.
Not necessarily fighting and.
Okay, alright, you guys, there you have the French expression and the Jamaican expression for today. You get it?
Make sure, guys.
Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up. You wanna say something?
Some thumbs up.
And
Like.
and
Subscribe.
and
Turn on the notification bell.
hey and
Okay, catch up, keep up.
and
And we see you guys tomorrow.
yes, bye guys.